If you're looking for the best C++ course on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 C++ courses based on ratings, popularity, industry credibility, and overall learning value. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the discount link in the description. It can help you save on a Coursera Plus subscription, which is often a much better value than buying individual courses. My number 1 pick is Coding for Everyone, C and C++ by the University of California, Santa Cruz. It has a strong 4.5-star rating with more than 9,600 reviews. This beginner-friendly specialization teaches programming fundamentals, object-oriented programming, algorithms, and data structures. It's an excellent choice if you're starting your C++ journey with a respected university. The second recommendation is Programming in C++, a hands-on introduction by Codio. It has a 4.6-star rating from over 1,300 reviews. The course focuses on practical coding with object-oriented programming, file handling, data structures, and memory management. It's ideal if you prefer learning by building real programs instead of only watching lectures. My third pick is Microsoft Introduction to C++ Programming. This professional certificate is designed for beginners and covers core C++ concepts, debugging, memory management, file handling, and software development. Since it's created by Microsoft, it offers excellent credibility for learners preparing for software development careers. Here's why Coursera Plus is worth considering. A single learning program usually costs between $49 and $79 per month. If you also want to learn data structures, algorithms, Python, software engineering, AI, or cloud computing, buying courses individually can become expensive. Coursera Plus gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, specializations, professional certificates, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. You can earn unlimited certificates and switch between courses without paying for each one separately. If you're serious about becoming a C++ developer or software engineer, Coursera Plus gives you the flexibility to build multiple in-demand skills while saving money over time. If you'd like to save on your subscription, check the discount link in the description before you enroll.